Welcome back. So let's solve number 4 of the past question. This is not actually the number 4 of that 218 to 19 past question, but I'm just trying to solve questions that are short blocks that will come out in the exam. So I'm just guessing. So solving the questions, random questions on these sessions that will come out. So we are asked to using evaluate this integral, this definite integral because it's half boundary using Simpsons rule. So integral from 0.2 to 1.0 of the this function to be integrated is called the integrand. This is called the integrand. So this one is with respect to. So integrate this square root of 1 plus x cubed dx with respect to x with our interval 8. So we are going to use all the 9 points in this Simpsons rule. So as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have our x cubed, then 1 plus x cubed, square root of 1 plus x cubed. Now first term plus last term, and 4 times the odd numbers and 2 times even numbers. Some people will decide to do 4 times even number and 2 times remaining odd number. It depends on your settings and on the formula you are using. You're still going to get the same answer. So we'll be having this. So wow, so our x will be, it started from 0.2, 0.2. So we'll be having 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. This thing happened to me. So Facebook, you people will be the one to explain this thing very well. In your content monetization, uh, I saw $0.9. So after the $0.9, I was like, I will be getting the next, this thing will be what? 1.0. Like after 0.9, I was seeing 0.10, 0.11. I was like, what is this? Is it that I don't know maths again? Because after 0.9, you'll be getting what? 1.0. So I don't know how they are doing their own maths. Hey, let's continue with our question. So that's it here. So our x cube will be, put this value here, that's 0.2 cubits. That will be your answer. So let's do it first. 0.2 cube to the power of 3. My answer is 0.008. So you need to, so that it will be 4 dp. So you just add another 0, put it like this. I hope you can see it. So sorry, it's already in 4 dp. So this our x3 is this value. So just put this x here, raise it to the power of 3, you get all this one. Then you use this value you get here, add 1 to it. That's how you change to this one. Then this one, square root of this value will give you all these things. Now, let me clean the question so that I can write the formula. So our formula is, for Simpsons rule, S sub n is equals to delta x all over 3, then bracket f of x naught, then plus 4 f of what x1 plus 2f of what x2 plus 3, sorry, it will be alternating. 4 and 2 will be alternating. 4f of what x3, then plus 2f of what x n minus what 2, then plus what 4f of what x n minus 1, then plus what f of what xn. That is the last term. I hope you can see it. Okay, sorry, let me bring it up a little. So from this formula, I'm going to reduce it because our interval is 8. So S8 is equals to our delta x is, what value do we get then? 8 divided by 4. Wow. Our delta x, I think 1. Okay, let me remember. Wow. Delta x is 0.1. So we have 0.1 all over 3. Then times, as you can see, this one is the first term and the last term. So we have first term plus last term. Then plus, do you see that 4 is multiplying all odd numbers? X1 is odd, x3 is odd. Now, so it will be 4 times all odd numbers. Plus, do you see that 2 is multiplying all even numbers? This even number, which other one is 2 multiplying? 2 is multiplying this even number. 4, 2, 4, 2. So 2 is multiplying this even number, because if you want to get the next term here, it will now be 1, 2, x1, x2, x3. This one will be 2 times x, then 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 will give you what? 4. So it will be x4. If you still want to get this one, it will be 6 minus 1, which is what? x5. So 2 is multiplying all even number, or you can still call it remaining even number. Nevertheless, so this is where I got my formula from, f plus n, no? This and this, instead of using this one. So this is where I drew my formula from. So first term is what? This 1.004. Our last term is 1.414. Right? So now we are going to do 4 times odd numbers. Which one is odd number? This one is odd number. Let me write it. That's it. 1.013. Then, which other one is odd? This one, 1.061. Which other one is odd? 1.159. Which other one is odd? This one, 1.315. So, that's it. Now, 2 times even numbers. Even numbers are what? Which one is even now? Apart from this, we are going to leave this first one. So you also know that 0 is an even number. So I'm going to leave it because we have done first plus last. So we are going to have even number, which is this one, 1.032. Then another even number, which is this one, 1.103. Then another even number, which is this one, 1.229. Then it's a finish. So let me clean this thing small so that you can see space. Pause the video.